Welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Diamond. Oh my gosh, I'm so dizzy. Okay, give me 1 second. Bonjour beauties, I'm your host Diamond. Those are let me try that again. Hold on 1 second.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Bonjour beauties, I'm your host Diamond. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and also if you haven't already, for everybody, make sure you hit the bell button next to that subscribe button so that you can check out and know when the latest newest video drops. That way you can be the first to watch it. So today's look is going to be summer based, and I would like to call it my summer makeup routine because this is what I do on a daily basis. I just thought I would share it with you guys so that way, you know, if you don't want to wear too much makeup but you still want to look gorgeous and flawless, you can do that. So definitely stay tuned and watch the rest of this video so that you can find out how I get this look. Starting off with my eyebrows, of course, and I'm just combing them with my eyebrow brush, and we're just going to take some concealer and highlight the brow bone area. If you don't have your eyebrows done, you can easily just use the concealer to conceal your hairs to keep them out the way of your foundation. And I just normally only apply it to the bottom brow bone, just because I'm going to use foundation to conceal the top part, so I just feel like there's no point in highlighting that. And then I'm going to take my concealer brush and conceal everything out. Alright, and once all that is done, I'm then going to move on to the eyes. And of course, you guys already know, I'm going to use my NYX Jumbo Pencil in the color Milk. And I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelid like I'm doing. And then I'm going to blend it out using my finger. And this just helps ensure that you don't have problems with your eyeshadows creasing. And it also helps your eyeshadow last all day. So if you don't have an eyeshadow primer and you don't want to invest in one, this one is really good. Yeah, this one's really good. So I don't use a brush to blend it out, but you can. If you do want to use a brush to blend it out, you can simply just use a smaller concealer brush. But I mean, your finger is a great blender too. And if you guys notice that like I'm talking weird, it's just because I nicked myself in my mouth while I was brushing my teeth, and I have numbing cream in my mouth, so I can't really feel my tongue or like the one side of my lip. I've been in pain these past few days and I couldn't take it anymore. Like, it was literally getting to a point where I didn't want to really eat or drink. Like, it's the worst. Like, that's how you know it's serious business when you're brushing your teeth. Alright, so then after all that is blended out, then we're going to move on to the fun part. And because this is a summer look, I realized that most people want to wear as minimal makeup as possible. So most summer looks are mostly dealing with natural colors and like just being like a barely bare. So as funny as it sounds, you can either use the Morphe palette or you can take your contour palette, which I'm doing, and I'm just using like a shade lighter than my actual eyelid. That way it helps like brighten my eyes up a little bit so that I don't have to highlight unless I choose to. And if I do have to highlight underneath my eye, I'm able to just do it lightly and not so heavy. So if you have the Anastasia brow kit, mine's is medium to tan, and I'm just gonna take this color here and apply it all over my eyelid using a large eyeshadow brush like so. And yeah, I'm just applying that all over my eyelid, and I'm patting it on just so it can, like, I guess, lock into my primer. And then that way it also builds like color intensity, so you're not having to go back and like pile on eyeshadow, because piled up eyeshadow does not look good, as we all know that. And it's just not cute, and we want to be cute this summer with wearing as minimal makeup as possible as we can, because it's already hot. And yeah, also I've been wanting to know from you guys lately, and you can like comment below, but do you guys think I should start back using my backdrops, or should I just stick to my regular room background? Comment below and let me know, because I'm having a hard time deciding on whether or not I want to go back to the whole backdrop scene. And it's kind of annoying when you want to please your crowd, and I really enjoy having you guys watch my videos. So I just want to know, do you guys prefer a backdrop, or do you prefer a natural background like what I have now? So yeah, just comment below and let me know. Okay, and then once you have that all over your eyelid, I'm just going to go back and touch it up a little bit. Alright, so once you have it all over your eyelid, you then want to take your blending brush with nothing on it, because we're not creating anything. We just want to blend out the harsh line between the brow bone and like the edges of your eyes. So I'm just using my e.l.f. blending brush, my favorite blending brush, and I'm just like going around the outside area and like just blending out those lines. Right now I'm just taking my small eyeshadow brush and still using that same Anastasia kit. I'm applying this color here. I'm applying that color to the end of the end part of my brow bone. I cannot talk today. Literally, I cannot talk today. You can either stop here and just go into your foundation portion, or if you want to spice it up a little bit, you can add like a shimmer shadow in the inner corner of your eye. Take some of this shimmer color here, and I'm gonna take a fluffy small eyeshadow brush just because it picks up a little bit more of the shimmers than a regular small eyeshadow brush would. And I'm just gonna apply that literally in the inner corner. I just recently switched foundations because Urban Decay is a little bit too thick for the summertime, so I went with the Lancome Tint Idol, and it also has sunscreen in it, so it helps protect your face from the sun. Because I like Lancome products because it has like skincare in it while you're wearing it, so that's a good thing. And then I'm the color 470 Suede C, so I guess I'm like a cool tone. And make sure when you use it, you shake it up really good, because if not, it won't apply right for some reason. And it's very lightweight and buildable coverage, so like you can always add as much as you want. I just normally use like one pump and that's it. So I'm just gonna apply this in the important places first before I'll go in and add whatever else I may need. And this is just one pump, you guys, and I'm like getting all this coverage. And honestly, I think it kind of gives your skin like a small glow. It's time to add that eyeliner, and you can skip this step too. It's totally optional. And then when I'm done with that, I'll go in and with my mascara, and I'm using the Maybelline Plush Express. And then I also use the cat eye mascara from Maybelline. The words are going, so I can't show you anything really, but it's the one in the yellow tube. And I just apply it on my lashes. And I also, like, if you have eye allergies, like I do, I use the waterproof one because it's a lot easier, and I don't have to worry about anything smearing. But when you take it off at night, make sure like you use an oil-based remover to remove it, because you could literally wake up the next morning, and I don't know if you guys rub your eyes when you first wake up, but I'm one of those people, and they can really like have you looking like a raccoon the next day. So definitely use an oil-based remover. And then on my bottom part of my lashes is where I use the cat eye mascara, just because the brush is a lot skinnier and I feel like it can get to the root of the lashes better than the big wand. I'm just gonna go in with my e.l.f. Blush palette, and I'm just gonna take some of this color here and apply it to my cheeks. Then we're gonna move on to the lips, and at this point you can pretty much add on whatever color it is that you want to add. I'm using the color Summer Fruit. This is pretty much it though. This is the look. So yeah, this is the look, beauties, and I mean there's no more to it. I wouldn't call it a no makeup look, because obviously it looks like I have on something, but I mean you can make it as less as possible as you want. These are just some of the basic steps that I take to putting it on, or when I do my summer routine. I definitely enjoyed you guys checking out this video, and like I said, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time.